In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create color swatches for product variants in Shopify Sense theme. By the end, you'll replace basic color drop-downs with clickable color circles, making it faster and more visual for customers to pick the right variant. First, make sure your product actually has a color option to work with. In your Shopify admin, open a product and look under Variants. If you don't see a color option, add one named Color or Color, then enter each value you sell, like red, blue, or black. Keep the spelling consistent across products so the theme recognizes it as the same option. While you're here, assign images to each variant, especially if different colors have different photos. This helps your product gallery update instantly when a customer clicks a swatch, which feels seamless and professional. Next, open the Theme Editor. Go to Online Store, then Themes, and click Customize on your live Sense theme. In the editor, navigate to a product page template. You can do this by selecting the product page from the drop-down or by previewing a sample product right in the editor so you can see changes as you make them. On the product page, find the section or block that controls variant options. It's usually called Variant Picker or Variant Options. Select that block to open its settings. Look for an option to enable color swatches or similar wording. Turn that on for the color option. Different versions of the Sense theme label this slightly differently, but you're looking for a toggle that switches the display from text or drop-downs to swatches. Once enabled, save your changes. Then preview the product on your storefront. You should now see clickable circles for each color, often showing a color chip or an image-derived swatch. When you click a swatch, the selected variant should update, and if you assigned images per variant, the main product image will swap to match. This small change makes a big difference in conversion because shoppers can visually confirm the color before adding to cart. If you don't see the swatch toggle in your variant picker settings, it may mean your current Sense version doesn't include built-in swatches. In that case, check whether the theme has an available update or refer to the theme's documentation for your exact version. Also remember to save frequently and refresh your storefront preview to ensure you're seeing the latest changes. That's it. You've activated color swatches in the Sense theme using the built-in tools. No coding needed.